Hi, welcome to the LDI show here at the Analog Way booth. Today we're showing our solo media player, the CorePlay Solo. This is an excellent live event media player. It has both program and a preview output so that you can queue up your next media asset, and whenever you're ready you can simply hit a stream deck or use the GUI control system to queue up and take your next media asset to your display. What's nice about this is it's Linux based, it's rock solid and reliable, and on top of that you can do custom output resolutions within the 4K bandwidth envelope. So for instance, you could do an 8K by 1K single feed to a custom LED wall. So that's shipping and has been for about a year now. It's our solo media player, and today we have it going through our Zenith 200 processor. So the Zenith 200 processor is part of our Alta 4K product family. It offers 16 inputs with a nice variety of connectivity, including DisplayPort, HDMI 2.0, 12G SDI, and it has a total of 6 outputs, up to 4 of which can be 4K 60 program outputs, plus 2 scaled AUXes and a monitoring output for operator. This device, what's new at this show, we have now added the ability to do up to 8K by 1K, again within the 4K bandwidth envelope, custom resolutions, both on the input and the output side of the Zenith 200. And it's very easy to operate right from our WebRCS control GUI, as well as our RC400T control console. And we have pre-made control modules for Crestron, QSYS, AMX, Companion. So very easy to operate right out of the box. For more information, please come visit us at www.analogway.com.